Hello, students, and welcome to another episode of Jay's Learning School, where I have the opportunity to help you to understand and speak better English. On today's English lesson, I'm going to teach you about the English vocabulary word content. Now, it's spelled the same way as content, such as a content creator, where you get content from a video. This is pronounced content. Let's get into today's lesson so you can learn. Also, make sure you turn on the closed captions so you can read the subtitles if you would like to at the bottom of the screen. And when someone is content, they are happy with their current situation. They're satisfied with what they have. They don't desire more. They are at ease or at peace with where they are in life. Would you like some money? No, I'm content. So they are satisfied with their current situation. Someone that is content, they are in a state of contentment. They are in a state of being at ease. They are in a state of being happy. And you can be content when you are grateful for the things that you have. You're content when you see sometimes that someone is doing worse than you. It makes you appreciative of what you have and where you are in life. And so you are content. Someone that is content would say something like, I'm good or I'm straight. Hey, you want to go to the movies tonight? No, I'm good. I'm happy with staying at home and watching Netflix. I'm straight. I'm content. Hey, do you need any groceries? Do you need any gas in the car? No, I'm good. I'm well taken care of. I'm straight. Someone that is content is satisfied. They're happy. You mean you don't have a man yet? No, I'm content with being single. You're not looking for a spouse? No, I'm content with where I am right now. I'm satisfied with the state that I am in. Someone that is content is without complaint. There's no need to grumble, no need to complain. They probably could because their life is not perfect, but when you are content, you do not complain about what's going on in your life. A person may be in the hospital, but they can still be content. You may have problems in your life, but you can still be content or without complaint. Now, the opposite of being content is to be ungrateful. It's someone who's greedy. It's someone who just is too ambitious. They do not appreciate what they have. Even though you may not have everything that you so desire, being content is a great state to be in. But someone who is not content, they are just so ungrateful with the things that they have. They fail to realize that there always is someone out there that is in a worse situation than they are. Are you content? Hey, thanks so much for listening and watching today's free English lesson. I want to invite you to be a subscriber here on my YouTube channel if you're not a subscriber. I do have a live stream twice a week on Tuesday at 9:15 a.m. and Thursday at 7:15 p.m. These are Eastern Standard Times, and I would love for you to join me right here on the channel. Be sure to check out some of my other videos while you're here on the channel, and I hope you join me on my next free English lesson.